everyone, it's me, Allegra. I'm super excited today because I am going to be sharing an Amazon holiday gifts for kids video. I got so much stuff here for kids that came directly from their own mails that they told me exactly what they wanted. So I went ahead and picked everything up on Amazon. It took me literally minutes. I couldn't believe it, and the prices were so good. Now, these gifts in particular are for the children at my church. So they do have a holiday giving tree, and you go ahead and you go to the tree and you pick off a little card. I'll show you guys right here, and it has everything, their little wish lists on these cards. So these are for kids in need that might not be receiving presents otherwise. But before we dive into today's video, I'm super excited because this portion of today's video is sponsored by Morgan & Morgan. When you've been injured, you deserve compensation, and the size of your law firm matters. Morgan & Morgan has over 800 attorneys nationwide and has recovered over $13 billion for clients. The best part, you pay nothing upfront for their services. The fee is free unless you win. So thank you so much to Morgan & Morgan for sponsoring this portion of today's video. And now let's get back into the Amazon holiday gifts for kids. So like I was saying, I have these 3 bags here. I did pick 3 kids to shop for, to gift for the holidays. So one is girl age 9, and one is girl age 9 again, and one is boy age 12. So now they had recommended to just adhere this tag to the bag, and then I'm going to drop the bag at the church. So I'm just going to take this like so and tie it onto the bag, and I'll do that with all 3 bags, and then we're going to unbox everything and put it in each bag. Now wait till I show you guys what these kids wanted. I love shopping for kids. I used to shop for my sisters when they were little. I used to do all the holiday shopping for, for the family. But, now they're grown, and so I don't do that anymore. So and then, my stepkids are older, so they don't really, they don't like presents like this, like the fun stuff. So, like they like one thing, how it is. So that's why I was super excited to shop for these little ones. Now, this one I did open already because a lot of this stuff I have not opened, okay? Bear with me. But the little girl, one of the little girls, I have to look at the card. She asked for a Stranger Things t-shirt. And I was so surprised. I thought that was so funny. I actually got her 2 t-shirts. So this is one of them. And now she is a size large. So they do have on Amazon youth sizing. So they have for adults, women, and then they have the youth section. So just check the youth section if you're shopping for kids. But if you know a kid that loves Netflix, that loves to watch TV shows, maybe you know a favorite TV show that they have, or even the adult in your life, definitely a t-shirt like this is the way to go, because everybody loves to even just wear it in the house when they watch their favorite show, or just reminds them of their favorite show. So this is one of the holiday gifts for kids that I picked up on Amazon, and it was so inexpensive, and it arrived in days. So I did see this on other sites for double the price, but on Amazon it was half price. I believe it was $13.99. It was on sale for the holidays, so definitely scoop this up if you're interested while you can. So this is going in the red bag. This little girl wrote right here all her dream presents. So one of her dream presents was Stranger Things clothes. She also likes My Melody. So when we see My Melody, we're going to drop it in here, and art supplies. So let me go ahead and put this in here for her. So I have 2 girls age 9 to shop for and 1 boy age 12. Now the other girl asked for LOL dolls and accessories. So I picked these up. To be honest, guys, I didn't get these on Amazon. I got these at Dollar Tree for $1. But they do have these on Amazon for about $10. But if you can go to Dollar Tree, they have these. Hopefully your Dollar Tree has them, but they had these sets for $1. So I did pick her up 2 sets, and they're art sets. This one is a gem sticker art set, and this one is the sticker story mega set. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in this bag here, the green bag, girl number 9. And again, she asked for Barbie clothes. We're going to show you that in a moment. The LOL toys. Okay, guys, now we got this huge box to go through. Hopefully you're here for this, because I got all of these toys for kids, and they were literally, like I said, they were less than $300. So here we go with the bubble wrap. Okay, guys. Okay, here's the My Melody set. Now, this is like an art set. It has everything My Melody in it, and the girl age 9 had asked for this, one of the girls age 9. So this is a whole ton. I'm not going to open it, but there's so much stuff in here, My Melody. And so if you have a kid in your life, age 9, about that age, they really might love My Melody things. So, because she definitely did. So there's pens in here. I think this is almost like an art kit. There's so much stuff in here. I'll have everything linked below. This is amazing, was $10. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in her bag. That's the same girl that likes Stranger Things. And then you guys, this is for the little boy. He's age 12 and he asked for Star Wars Legos. So I picked him up these. These were $20 on sale. So look at how beautiful this is, and I really hope he's gonna love it. But if you have a little boy in your life around this, but I know little boys even younger than 12, you know, even starting at even 5, 6, they love Legos. I know my nephew loves Legos, even all the way up to he's 20 something. So they love Legos, these guys. And I guess some girls too, but I think it's mostly the person that I know is all little boys. Grown boys love the Legos. So I picked him up this. This was on his wish list. So let me go ahead and put that in his bag. And then here is another Amazon holiday gift for kids. This one is for the little girl, age 9, who asked for LOL dolls. So I got her this set. Look how beautiful. 20 something dollars, you guys. And I couldn't believe it. This is Miss Royale, and you're getting so much stuff. It is sealed, so I don't want to open it. But look at this, how beautiful. I think she's gonna love this. Even the packaging is just so much fun. But yeah, LOL dolls, oh my god, dolls, things like that. They love, the little ones love these, the little girls loving these, age 9. And then guys, look at this huge art set that I got. You are literally not gonna believe what is in this art set. I mean, I can't open it, but I'm gonna insert pictures and I'm gonna have it linked down below. You cannot believe how much is in here in the price. Oh my god, the prices are unbelievable. You know, this will make an amazing gift for an adult in your life as well. If you know, think about what people like. Do they like art? Do they like to draw? If they do, this will make an amazing gift regardless of age. But the little ones did ask for this. They asked for an art kit. You're getting 222 pieces of different art, pencils, and all kinds of stuff. So I really want to open it, but again, I'll put a picture in. You just will not believe how much you're getting, the price, and everything came in days. So again, this is for the little girl that likes Stranger Things. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in her bag. So now I've got another box here. Everything came at one time. Well, it was amazing. I didn't go in store. I just typed everything into Amazon search button and everything came up in minutes. I purchased everything in minutes, is what I'm saying. So, okay, now this is for the little boy. He had requested this, though this is for boys age 12. It's called A Witch in the Dark book. So he wanted this book. Isn't that sweet? So I got him this, of course. So if you know a little boy, you know that they like books and things. If you see that they like books, this might be a good book for them if they didn't read it already. Apparently, this is, a book that the kids want. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in his bag. And then here, guys, this is for the little girl that likes Stranger Things, age 9. I got her another Stranger Things t-shirt because I thought this one was so cute. It's called Stuck. It has written on it, Stuck in the Upside Down. So I thought this was so cute. So I picked this up for her. Again, I shopped the youth section. They do have this for adults. So if you have, if you have an adult that loves Stranger Things, a t-shirt is really a great idea. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in her bag. So now she got 2 Stranger Things t-shirts. And then these things are wrapped up. Oh, this is for the little boy. He's age 12. So this is a Funko doll. This was so inexpensive. I just really couldn't believe the prices. That's why I went a little crazy for the kids. But look at how cute this is. He requested it. He wrote it on his paper. The Mandalorian bobblehead figurine. This is the chrome edition. So this makes it a great gift. Now, also, if you have a college kid that's you see a lot of kids collecting these. So these Funko dolls, and you just literally cannot believe how inexpensive it is when you shop on Amazon, because I got this literally for pennies. And look how it's here. This is an Amazon exclusive. So this doll you can only get on Amazon, and I'll have it linked below. But how awesome is that? I'm gonna go ahead and put it in his bag. Oh, you guys, I just opened this box, but all of the art supplies are in here and they're kind of like thrown around. They're not really organized good, so I'm just gonna have to take everything and put it in the bag. But both girls had requested art supplies, so in this package, this one is opened. I opened it so by accident. But I'm gonna put everything in her bag. But oh no, the boy I think asked for art supplies. I see what's happening here. Okay, the little boy asked for art supplies. He asked for a canvas paint set. So this is the canvas paint set. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this in his bag. But in this set came the brushes. Maybe I'll try to leave everything Yeah, I'll just try to leave everything in the bag because even though it looks messy, but what are you gonna do? Like the people at the church will figure it out because they did want everything open so they could see what you're giving because they don't want, you know. But that was a canvas art supply kit. So again, everything linked below. I will insert pictures so you can see because he specifically asked for a canvas art set. Okay, guys, here is. Let me go ahead and open this. I think this is another doll. It is. It's a doll, and it's. I think it's open. Like it's not wrapped good. So I'm gonna put it back in the box. Yeah, it's a little baby doll. Age 9 wanted this doll. Maybe I thought that was a little strange, but maybe it's for her baby sister or something. Because I don't really, you know, I don't know if age 9 plays with dolls. You know, I gotta find out. But she did request this, so let me go ahead and tell you what it is. It's adorable, and it's very inexpensive. Yeah, it's a baby alive. Can you believe that? This was so inexpensive, guys. You won't believe it. And like I said, I didn't purchase anything more than $20. So everything I'm showing you today is about $20, $10 to $20. So even if you just picked up one of these for the kids in your life, they're going to be thrilled, I think. But wasn't that doll beautiful? I just don't want to mess with it too much because, you know, I want to get to the kids in good shape. So guys, finally, I have one more box of holiday gifts for kids from Amazon. And let's see what this one is. Oh, this is the Barbie clothes. So the little girl age 9 had asked for clothes for her Barbie. So I got all of these. Look how beautiful. Oh, her Barbie is gonna look so gorgeous. And look at that. It's all Barbie body types, so you can use these on all different types because they have so many different types of Barbies nowadays. Truly and honestly, I spent less than $300 on everything today. I shopped for 3 kids. I got so many presents for them, all on Amazon. I didn't have to pay for shipping, didn't have to go out to the crowds, didn't have to spend money on gas. Came right to my door in 2 days. So I'm so excited, guys, because I know if I went in store, I wouldn't be able to find half of this stuff. I mean, I would be searching and searching and I'd never find it. But, you know, then I had the idea, let's start shopping on Amazon for the holidays because last year I was in store and it was taking me hours to shop. I did the same thing last year. But I went in store and I was shopping for hours and it was a nightmare. But now I said to myself, why didn't I think of this sooner? I went on Amazon, ordered everything. Oh my God, came like literally in days. So let me know what you guys are picking up for the holidays on Amazon. Do you have any kids in your life that you're shopping for? Let me know down below, or your own kids or grandkids, nieces, nephews, holiday gift drives. There's so many great reasons to shop for holiday gifts for kids this season. So let me know down below what you think of these gifts, and let me know any more ideas that you guys have, because Lord knows I can't pass a gift giving box, those boxes where they want gifts for kids for the holidays without putting something in it. So, you know, for kids in need. So anyway, yeah, I love shopping for kids, so I would definitely love to go back and buy more. So give me some ideas down below, guys, and I'll definitely be heading over to Amazon to pick them up. So anyway, I hope you guys are all doing good. Thank you so much to Morgan and Morgan again for sponsoring today's video. I will have their link down below so you can check them out. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you are all doing good. Happy holidays, and I'll see you very soon.